everyone. Welcome to my Hot Wheels Redline collection. Today I'm going to finish off with the what they call the race team series for the heavyweights back in '71. And I know I've talked a couple times about the impurities in the metal that caused a lot of these cars in '71 to be called crumblers. To me, this is a good example of what they call the race rig and the pit crew. And the racer rig has the white cab, blue glass. This one's a pretty good example. It's not 100% mint. Got a little bit of paint wear on it, but I'm okay with that. It has no broken glass. As you can see, the bottom of this isn't stress cracked or crumbling. So this is still a really good example. And the trailer was set up to haul your Hot Wheels cars back in '71. So these also were known to be crumblers. And as you can see, looking at the bottom of this one, this is absolutely in really good shape and not considered a crumbler. You had a toolbox, and then in the back, and normally I won't do this, but just so you guys can see, but the ramps slide out, and then you can run your car up and get it set up on top of the trailer. So it would look kind of like, let me see here, put this in. So this is the pit crew car from '71, which was also known to be a crumbler. Blue glass, so you know it's a Hong Kong edition. It has nice wheels. The base is really nice. And as you can see, this really has no paint chips, no flaws. The back of it would open up and you would have a tool kit in there. So you can see the tools in there. So they try to make it realistic for kids to pretend like they're at the racetrack. And then the car would come up and you can see how it sits just like that and becomes something you can drive around. I think it's really cool the way that they did this back in '71. It was very impressive. And over the last couple of days, I've shown you the fuel truck and the camper. All three white cabs, enamel white, and they're in perfect condition, especially considering they're '71s. I think that's about it on these guys. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll try to bring up some more cars in the heavyweights tomorrow. Thanks, everyone.